Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cooling right here, and basically what this is a cooling blanket, and it's from this brand right here. So obviously, if you can see right here, they mentioned how it's a cooling blanket, which is pretty interesting. So I'm assuming once you guys use the blanket, it should be pretty cool and it shouldn't be really hot. If you can see inside right here, they kind of explain to you guys how it actually works. So I guess it absorbs like the heat to actually keep you guys cool when you guys put on the blanket, which is pretty interesting. But in terms of maintaining and cleaning the product, they mention how you guys can gentle wash up to 30 degrees Celsius. So you definitely throw it into the washer to wash it. But they mentioned that you should not throw it into the dryer to wash it. You want to hang dry it. And in terms of the material on here, if I can see to tell you guys what's the material on here. So the one that I got right here is a 51 by 67. If you guys need bigger ones, they do have bigger ones available. But for one that we got right here is the smallest one that they have. And they actually have a lot of different color options for this product as well. The one that we got is the blue one, but they have it in gray and some other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But let's open up to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what it actually looks like. So you guys can definitely see the blanket inside right there. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you take it out, you can see that this is basically what the packaging looks like. So it's all nicely wrapped and everything. But let's open up and see what's included inside first. Alright, let's open it up. So when we open up, you can definitely see the blanket on here is definitely pretty big. And like I mentioned, I did get the smallest one, and this is already really big. But when you guys look at the material on here, this is basically what it actually looks like on this side. When we flip it to the other side, you guys can see that this is basically what it actually looks like on this side. So it's definitely different material on this side versus the other side. So for this side right here, they mentioned it's perfect for during the spring or autumn time. So I guess when it's a little bit more chilly and not as hot. So you definitely want to use this side right here to keep yourself warm. Whereas the other side right here, this one is more of a cooling side. So you definitely want to use this during like the summertime or when it's really hot. And definitely immediately once you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels really nice. You can definitely feel that soft texture on here and that cooling material that they use on here as well. Like I don't need to use this as a blanket to put it on myself yet. I can definitely feel that cooling material that they have right here. Like just by putting my hand on here, I definitely feel really cool already. But definitely the product is hand washable and machine washable as well. You just want to use the lowest temperature and the lowest cycle when you guys actually wash this. But this is basically what the product looks like. Let me just roll this into the washer and then show you guys what it actually looks like once we finish washing it. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I just finished washing the product and letting it air dry and everything. So now let me just test out the product to show you guys what it actually looks like and how it feels. So I'll probably use like the warmer side right here first, and then we'll try the cool side after. Alright, so when I actually hop on and try this side right here, it definitely feels a little bit of warmth like immediately. It definitely feels really nice though once you guys actually put it on. And when we actually put it on, it definitely feels pretty lightweight. If you see the one that we got right here is pretty small. This blanket is around like twin size, if I can see how big it can go. But let's actually flip it to the other side and see how that side feels. Alright, so we actually turn on the other side right here. This side is basically the cooling side. And literally immediately once we actually flip it to the other side to the cooling side right here, it definitely feels a lot better than the other side because of that cooling material that they use on here. That feels really, really nice. And this cooling side right here is especially like super useful and super nice right now because it's around like summertime right now and it's actually really hot. So it's definitely pretty perfect to actually use it right now to actually help me cool down and everything. So I don't feel as hot when I go to sleep at night. So this is basically what the overall pot looks like once you guys use it. If you can see, it's definitely pretty lightweight and pretty big. Even for the small size right here, it's perfect for twin size bed. But if you guys want a bigger one, they definitely have big ones available for like queen size, full size, and also king size as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that she does work and she's quite well. Super easy to use and super easy to maintain as well. Once you guys roll this into the washer to wash it, you just basically want to hang it to let it dry by itself. You don't want to run the dryer to dry it as well because it might affect the material that's on here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a blanket that gives you guys the option that's reversible. So one side is more for cooling and the other side to keep yourself warm during like the more chilly days. If you guys want a blanket that has both of those options available, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.